In this video, I'll show you how to merge accounts in Monday.com. Before starting, it's important to understand that Monday.com does not always support direct account merging in the traditional sense. Instead, most account consolidation is done by inviting users into the correct workspace and transferring ownership or permissions. First, decide which account will become your main account moving forward. Click your profile picture at the top right corner and open the admin section if you have admin access. Go to directory section and select users. From there, invite the second email account into the workspace as a user or admin depending on the permissions needed. Click on the invite button at the top of the board and type the email address of the person that you want to invite. Click Invite again to send the invitation. Edit their user role so they can be the admin or a user inside the board. Once both accounts have access to the same workspace, you can begin transferring board ownership, dashboards, automations, or integrations if necessary. After everything has been transferred successfully, you can stop using the secondary account or remove it from the workspace if no longer needed. Managing accounts properly helps keep permissions, automations, and project ownership organized across your workspace. And that's how to merge accounts in Monday.com.